Can I actually code with my smartphone? Yes, definitely you can. But yeah, I don't know. You can or you cannot. Let me show you how. Okay, here we are. Go to YouTube and click tap in search bar smartphone coding. Smartphone coding. And let's see what they will bring to us. Here we go. Here you see Geomatex coding a whole web app only using my phone. Yeah, this is incredible. So the guy actually code a website, a web app with his smartphone. Guys, this is incredible. And here we are again in freecodecamp.org. Can you code on phone and show mobile programming tutorial? Yes, the answer is yes. Okay, but now we are seeing a lot of things out there. YouTube short video about phone coding. Okay, input, yeah, bunch of things. Surface area of keyboard. So here the guy is actually coding with his smartphone. This is incredible. Instead of using your smartphone for just scrolling down the social media content and just wasting all your time, you can actually do some things incredible, great, and interesting. Today in the 21st century, coding programming is the most powerful tool that one can get, especially when you are young. Especially when you are young, and the smartphone coding will be super interesting for sub-Saharan or developing country young, because it won't be that obvious to get a powerful computer to go through coding or programming stuff and projects. But as long as you get your smartphone and you can do everything with it, why not start by that? Yeah, actually you can do pretty much everything. We can do everything with smartphone that we can do with computer. With that being said, but there are new release, new mark of smartphone coming in the future, in the near future, that will give us all the power to code with smartphone. They will even be able to mine cryptocurrency and stuff like that, like Tesla Python, which is planning to come, and many other kind of stuff. So it will be really interesting, and it's incredible. Today smartphones have almost the same power as a computer. As today's smartphones are more powerful than one of the most powerful computer of 10 years before today's. So it's incredible, and there is bunch of tool, bunch of you can pretty much code with it in any languages using your smartphone. Here I am, and you can see here Arduino, Droid, and let's get down a little bit, and you see MATLAB. Yeah, actually you can code with MATLAB, the scientific computing platform. You can use that with your phone. This is incredible. Guys, we have limitless tool in our access today, and we're not using it in a good way. So let's go in that, let's dig into that, and let's see what you see. At least we can learn with it. At least, even if you can't do incredible stuff with smartphone, but you can learn. You can learn with your smartphone, and this should be incredible. Guys. I'm saying plot color, and can you see that? Can you see that? This is with my smartphone. I'm plotting MATLAB code. Look at that. Incredible. It's incredible. Wow. Let's get back again and go into PyDroid, and let's see what we can do there. Okay, here is one of my sketch, and let's go over there, and let's see. Open. I have a bunch of codes sample here. Let's open some of them, and let's see. It's on file. Let's go into recent file, and there they are my program there. Okay, Python 7, and Let's see, print. Okay. So this will create a 4 by 4 matrix and call each element of each column by indexing the row number and then pass the data. So you can play around with that with your smartphone, And for those who are taking algebra class, know that matrix are a powerful tool, especially when it comes to machine learning, deep learning, AI, image processing, and so forth. So you can play around with all that using your smartphone. So let's come into sample, NumPy, Matplotlib, and any kind of thing. TensorFlow, incredible. TensorFlow, OpenCV, PyTorch. So machine learning, you can do machine learning, AI computing with your smartphone. This is incredible. Skitlearn, Pygame, you can also program game with your smartphone. Let's see that. Incredible. We have everything today in our hand, but we're not using it in a proper way. So it would be a great regret for this is spinning and making move the Python icon on the screen. So it's incredible program. It's like a game, and there is another one out right there. And let's see that again. Sample and Pygame, full screen scaling. Let's say that, and here we go. Launch. Well, okay. This is a game programmed with Python and using Pygame module, and look at that. It's really working. Oh, I can do that. Game over. Oh, incredible. You can do that with your phone. Instead of sitting around and wasting your time in unuseful things, why don't you go through your smartphone and learn everything? Programming is everything today. Coding is everything. Technology is about software, hardware, computer, electronic, and you can learn all that with your smartphone. You know, this is incredible. I can't believe that. You know, Colab, Google Colab, and there it's like Jupyter Notebook, and you can work there with your smartphone. You can use that with your smartphone. Can you believe that? It's really incredible. So I'm making this tutorial to see if you guys are interested in coding with your smartphone, because many people say that I don't have a laptop or a computer at all, so I'm not gonna be able to code or learn programming at all. But here is the solution: you got your smartphone, and this is everything. You got your smartphone, getting started. Like in this era of open source platform, you can get access to everything free. I mean, the current age of technology, you can get access to those tools in free, and this is incredible. Here as import NumPy as NP for Matplotlib, import PyPlot as PLT, that kind of stuff. And here is the plot. Here's the thing. So you can use that, you can program that with your smartphone. Incredible. TensorFlow with GPU, TPU. Wow. Let's get into that. I can't wait to make those kind of video. Thanks again, guys. If you didn't subscribe, please consider subscribing. I'll be uploading more content like this, and you'll be really a coding geek with your smartphone. Peace.